Hello everyone, I'm Kenny from Chelsea. How are you guys getting on these days? Hope all is well with you and your family. Today, we will show how to do Extruder Calibration. Maybe this is useful to some customers. Okay, let's begin. Correct the extrusion length of the extruder. Problem description. The extruder is set to 100 mm when extruding. The result was squeezed out about 95 mm. There was an error. Calibrate the extrusion length of the extruder is modified by the G-code parameter file. Open the G-code file in Notepad format. Then find the MA011. Modify the value and save it. And then put it into the SD card and print the parameter file after inserting the machine. And finally restart the machine. If the modification according to the requirement value S0.0013080 still has an error after test, you can correct the value after S0.00130 according to the actual extrusion error properly. Please note, S0.00138085 is the default value. That's all the information today. If you have further questions, please contact our after-sales service email. See you next time.